In this video, I will be showing you how to create a website with ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I go to the ChatGPT homepage and click on the Ask Anything search bar. Next, I paste a long prompt describing the website layout, design system, and content. The requested features include a 3-column feature grid, a testimonial slider, and a clean contact form, all bundled in a single code block. Once done, I click on the Send Prompt button. ChatGPT then begins generating the entire HTML code for the single-page website, including embedded Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. I scroll down the page to check the progress of the generated code block. It includes separate sections for the header navigation, hero banner, features grid, testimonial section, simple pricing cards, a contact form, and a footer section. At the bottom, the script includes a custom function to animate the testimonial slider. After reviewing the code, I click on the search bar again to request an addition. I ask ChatGPT to add a functional dark and light mode toggle to the navbar and press the Send Prompt button. ChatGPT quickly replies with an updated single file code block that utilizes local storage to remember user theme preferences and dynamically switches classes. I scroll down to examine the updated code block, looking at the script for the new theme toggle function and the placement of the sun and moon icon buttons. I then click on the Preview button at the top right of the code panel to test out the design. A preview panel opens up, displaying the landing page with the dark purple accent theme. I test out the layout in full screen view, checking the header links, the hero section layout, the feature cards, and the placeholder content. Then, I minimize the screen, close the preview panel, and click on the Toggle Theme moon icon to make sure the light theme works as well. The color scheme shifts seamlessly to white background, and I can open up the code details panel again to view how it looks in real time. Next, I look at the script section in the text editor to inspect the full HTML file before saving it. I open a simple text document, paste the entire block of code from ChatGPT, and choose Save As from the File menu. In the dialog box, I name the file index HTML to create a valid web page asset. Finally, I open my File Explorer, navigate to the folder where the index HTML file is located, and double-click to open it in my web browser. The modern, single-page SaaS landing page loads instantly. I can interact with the testimonial slider dots, view the structured pricing grids, scroll through the layout sections, and click on the upper right theme toggle button to switch between dark and light modes cleanly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.